Want to make your numbers cleaner and easier to read? Excel's custom number formats let you add units, currency symbols, or even custom text without changing the underlying numbers. Here's a simple inventory list with price, weight, and inventory status. Select the price column. Right-click, choose Format Cells Custom. And type €0. Now, the prices show as 25 euros, 15 euros, 40 euros automatically. Next, select the weight column. Format Cells Custom and type 0 quotation space kg quotation. The quotes are important because they tell Excel to display kg as literal text after the number. Without the quotes, Excel won't know it's text. Now, the weights show as 12 kilograms, 8 kilograms, 20 kilograms, but Excel still treats them as numbers, so you can sum or average them. Finally, select the inventory status column. Use a custom format, like bracket equals 0 bracket, out of stock, 0. Zero values now display as out of stock, while other numbers appear normally, like 50 or 5. Custom number formats like these make your spreadsheets more professional, clear, and easy to read without affecting calculations.